Welcome to this session of Go Ask Debbie, a quick tip on flash fill. Here's a quick tip. You can fill cells in a flash, pun intended, with the flash fill. Just start typing in a column to the right of your data. In this example, we typed Smith and North. Then Excel understands via magic what the rest of the cells need to contain. Press Enter to accept the changes, and it's that simple. Flash fill is truly magical. I really wish this feature was in place a long time ago when I dealt with a lot of data like this. Thanks for taking this session of Go Ask Debbie. And be sure to subscribe for more tips like this one. And to receive my free ebook that gives this and 65 plus ways to use Office more productively, click on the link in my description down below.